Hello everyone, welcome back to your English class. Students, today we are going to learn how we have to write the notice. Today we shall be learning notice writing. So before moving to the format of notice writing, let us know what is a notice. So a notice is a printed piece of information. It is the information which is printed or handwritten. Okay. It is usually written for any event, function or any general instruction. So in our school, whenever there is any event, any function, or when some authority wants to pass some any general instructions, therefore a notice is written. And after writing the notice, it should be put up on the notice board so that everyone can see the notice. So now we shall learn what are the relevant points that should be kept in mind while writing the notice. Now students, these are the following key points that you have to keep in mind while writing a notice. The first one is the notice should be outlined. After writing the notice, it should be outlined. It should be outlined in a rectangular box. First of all, we require a rectangular box. Okay. The next one is the word limit of the notice is 50 words. The maximum words that you can write in notice is 50 words. And it should be in proper format. There is a particular format of the notice writing and you have to write the notice according to that format only. And we can't use any personal pronoun in notice writing. That means we can't use I, we in the notice writing. Now we shall move to the format of notice writing. So now students, this is the format of a notice writing. So in notice writing, first of all, what we require is this rectangular box. The notice should be enclosed in a rectangular box. This is the rectangular box. And now let us move to the next part, that is the name of organization. So first of all, while writing a notice, name of the organization comes first. Name of the organization who is issuing the notice. Who is issuing the notice. Then after that, the word notice comes. That too in capital letters. After the name of organization, the word notice comes in capital letter. Then on the left side, we write date of issuing the notice. The date when we are issuing the notice, and after that we are having heading. And in center then we write heading. Heading means what is the notice all about. What is the title of the notice. What does the organization want to say through this notice. Then we have the most important part of the notice, that is the body of the notice. That is the body of the notice which comprises all the message. What the organization wants to convey to us. And then at last we have signature, name and designation. Signature of the person who is writing the notice, and name, signature and designation of the person who is writing the notice. So students, this was your format. Let us quickly recall all the parts of this format. First of all, we will require a rectangular box. Then first of all, the name of organization who is issuing the notice. Then the word notice in capital letter. On the left hand side, we are having the date. We write the date on which the notice is issued. Then it is the heading, or you can say the title of the notice, and it will tell you about which the information is all about. Then we have the most important part of our notice writing, that is the body of the notice. The body of the notice comprises of all the information the organization or the institution want to give to us. Then we have name, signature, name and designation of the person who is writing the notice. Now let us quickly come to an example to make it more clear. This is the example of a notice writing. Suppose your school is organizing a painting competition for class 3 to 5. Your school is organizing a painting competition for class 3 to 5, and as a head boy, your school authorities ask you to write a notice to be put up on notice board. So how are you going to write that notice? So first of all, a rectangular box, as it is the necessity. So add in the rectangular box first of all the name of the institution which is issuing the notice. So the name of the school, ABC school, whatsoever the name is given in your question, you have to write that. ABC school, that means ABC school is issuing the notice. And after that the word notice come, and on the left hand side what is there, date of issuing the notice, and this is the heading or you can say title which tells us what is the notice all about. So I have written here painting competition. So from the word painting competition you all get aware that this notice is about the competition which will be held by the school. And next comes the most important part of our notice writing, that is the body of the notice. So in this notice, body of notice writing, I shall tell you which are the points that you will cover while writing the body of the notice. So first of all, in body of notice you will tell what is the notice all about. Okay, for example, this is to inform all students that a painting competition has been organized by our school. So this is the beginning line of a notice which is telling us that there is a painting competition organized by our school. Then you will tell this notice is addressing which class. Okay, so this is for class 3 to 5. Then you will tell the date on November 27, 2020. Okay, then the points that you will cover will that this notice is addressing whom, and this notice then you will cover date, and next you will cover venue. Venue means the place where the event is happening. The venue will be assembly area of schools. For this painting competition, the venue will be assembly area. And then you will close your notice by writing interesting students can give their names to class in charge, and for more details contact understand. Okay, for any event notice, this is the most last line in most of the notice is same. For more details contact undersigned, then your name, then your designation. For example, I have told you as a head boy you have to write the notice. So after your name you are going to write your designation, that is head boy. So this was the example of notice. So body of notice, that is our important part. So what all we have covered in body of notice, that first line should tell us what is the notice all about. So this notice was about the painting competition. Then you will tell the venue, the date, that and the thing and the notice, the people to whom the notice is addressing कि ये notice किसके लिए है. This notice is for class 3 to 5 as it is telling us, and then you will tell the date of the event, then you will tell the venue of the event, and then the closure part. For more details contact undersigned, then your name and your designation. So students, this was the notice all about. I hope you have understood it.